Hey guys, welcome to today's DIY. Today I'm going to be building a guinea pig built-in cupboard storage area, and I'm going to be building it in this recess here. Now this is in my utility room, and currently I've been using it to put my washing baskets on, but now I need to find a new home for the kids' guinea pigs. So I'm going to build it freestanding, and I'm going to bring it back in here, and I'm going to fit it in this space. So let's do it. And there we go guys, one guinea pig cage built. It was a standard 2-high rabbit pen before, and we just didn't have room for it anymore, and I did have a recess in the wall. So I've reconfigured it, I put a few materials in of my own, but essentially it's the same thing really. It's 85 centimetres wide, 98 centimetres high, and it's got 3 floors. So we've got 3 guinea pigs, and now they're all inside having a little mooch about. So hopefully they'll be happy. Thanks guys, and do me a favour, press that subscribe button and give me a few thumbs up. Thanks.